It's the last of the vegan Berlin videos. You've had your sweet treats, you've had your light bite lunches. These are your kind of more substantial dinner type things. So we're starting off at Roartastic, which is the first place we eat every single time we go, because, you know, we tend to be going for donuts and unhealthy things, so we try and start off well. So we went for the tasting platter, which here was sauerkraut rolls with walnut meat in it, an energy wrap, some kelp noodles. You've also got a pizza there with mushrooms on it. You've got like a tomato soup in the middle. And this was what my friend Hal had. It was a raw avocado on toast. So even the bread is raw. It's made of nuts and things like that. It's lovely. You will leave feeling full and satisfied. It's fantastic. Next up, we have got Dragon Bowl, which we kind of stumbled on by accident. We were just kind of wandering around. It's literally next door to Duo, the ice cream place that I've mentioned before. So they have a few vegan options. They've got a noodle soup and 2 bowls. We went for the bowls. So this is the Mrs. Tofu, which I had, and Leo went for the Mr. Satan. So the Mr. and Mrs. was the right way around for us. And it was fantastic. It was really, really lovely. Again, it's quite filling, but also quite light and full of vegetables, and it was lovely. So that was the next one. Here is the Brandenburg Gate, which when we went there happened to be people doing the Earthlings experience. So we got chatting to someone there, which was fantastic, just to see that out there. Last of all, we've got Chaos Theory. Now, this is your kind of like vegan junk food. We go there for their Curry Wurst, which is like €6.90, and you get a huge plate. It's an absolute bargain. So you get your chips, you get your Curry Wurst, and you get a choice of 2 sauces. That is the cheese sauce that Leo's going into now, which, you know, cheese sauce and Curry Wurst, it's actually a bloody good combination.